Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate how to take the traditional turkey pan canopy support and replace it with the new style turkey pan canopy support. So let's get started. So here we have a turkey pan with the traditional canopy supports. So the first thing we're going to do to replace them is we're going to flip the pan over. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the pan from the struts. Flip that over, remove this piece, and set it aside. The next step is going to be to remove the traditional supports. I find this easiest with vice grips, since some of them are easier than others to remove. The next step is to install the new canopy supports. So what we want to do is we want this face here, we want that to touch the canopy. So we're going to insert it this way like this. Get the first one started. Go ahead and get the second one started. Now I like to use vice grips. Help get a grip on it. And then you're going to line up the support with the hole down in here. Go ahead and feed it through. Just like that. You can see it's through on this end here. You can do the same with the other one. Now we're going to do the second one. And as you can see, it's already lined up there. So all we have to do is wiggle a little bit and push it through. Should be a snug fit. Okay, so now that we have the two supports in place, you can see I've already got them started such that this piece here is on top of this flange down here. And the same thing back here. This piece here is on top of this flange back here. So the important thing is that these two supports interlock with one another. And you can see down here, there's a little tooth that's going to grab onto this flange back here. And then the same thing on this one, there's a tooth here that's going to grab that flange there. So from this point, once they're all lined up, all you have to do is push them together until you hear a click. Right, there's the click, and now we can see they're locked in. This tooth is interlocked with this flange here, and this tooth is interlocked with this flange here. We've already put this back on. Now we're going to reattach the pan. We'll flip it back over.